What's your favorite part of Grandma's salad? Which is your favorite thing in here?
Taco.
What?
Taco.
That doesn't make sense. What's your favorite thing in here?
Taco.
You like all of it, don't you?
Yeah.
Are you eating mushrooms? You're eating green olives and cucumbers. You're eating all of Grandma's salad, aren't you? Say, it sure is good, Mommy and Daddy.
It sure is good, Mommy and Daddy. My dad had some of these.
Yep, but what's your daddy say when he sees a mushroom like this? Show Daddy how you eat mushrooms. Daddy says no thank you, but what do you do with a mushroom? Show Daddy what you do with the mushroom. Yummy, they're delicious, aren't they? See, Daddy, Bristol loves mushrooms.
What is this?
That's an onion. I don't think you'll like the onion. You can try it, but it's kind of hot.
Can I eat it?
Yeah, it's kind of hot though. Why don't you eat a pineapple? Yeah, you don't like the onion, do you? I'll take it. Eat a pineapple and wash it away. Well, there goes my salad for supper.